Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the Image Smart Extend in Artistly AI. So here is a vertical image that I generated in Artistly and then used the Image Smart Extend feature to expand the image to landscape or 16:9 aspect ratio. So let me show you how to do this. So I'm logged into my Artistly account. Click on Create Design at the top, and then Fast AI Image Designer. So we are currently in the AI Image Designer version 6 section. Go to AI Bulk Actions, and then click on Create New Action. You can drag and drop your image here if you want to bring it from outside of Artistly, or click on Choose from Library, which is what I'll do. From the Artistly Media Library, I'll choose this image. You can choose multiple images if you need to. I'll just select this one and then click on Select. So here is the image. Let me scroll down and then I'll click on this plus button. You'll see this pop up and I'll click on Smart Extend and it'll bring me back here. Let me scroll down and I'll choose 16:9. You can then click on Build Action. However, I want to also upscale the image. So what I'll do is I'll click on the plus button again and then choose Upscale Image and it'll bring me back here. So essentially I am converting or extending the image and also upscaling it. So let me scroll down and then click on Only Upscale and then click on Build Action. You'll see this pop up. I'll give it an action title and then click on Build. It'll then sort the process and then redirect me to the personal design section. And here is the expanded image, which is landscape. If you hover your mouse over the image, you'll see these options to view, edit, and download it. So I'll click on the eye icon and you'll see this pop up with the details of the image. And here is the full image. This may not work for all images and sometimes you may need to regenerate the image, but overall using this feature has produced good outputs. If you don't have Artistly and want to get it at a discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.